Welcome to the detailed PDF Cash Printer Review 2025. This software claims you can create PDFs, hit a button, and make money. But is it genuine or just hype? In this review, we'll explore the software's promises and features. Designed for both newbies and experienced marketers, PDF Cash Printer aims to simplify affiliate marketing. It provides templates for PDF products and funnels and includes traffic training to help you earn passive income. However, be aware of upsells and the need for optimization. Users praise its ease of entry, but express concerns about results and upsell pressures. Overall, expect potential gains, but with risks involved. Let's delve deeper into what users are saying, key components, and practical tips on how to maximize your experience with PDF Cash Printer. Understand that while it seems promising, real success depends on your effort and strategy. Full written review link and product buy link in the description box. Please like, share, and comments in this review. Also, subscribe this channel for more product reviews.